In this video, we will see how we can generate barcode very easily and it's free. We'll use Excel and some API to do this thing. Here we have an Excel sheet. There are two columns of data like product name and product number. We will generate barcode based on this product number. So do this thing. At first be careful that these are coming like full format of the number. Sometimes in Excel, if it is long number, Excel shows like few digits and it converted to other format. To format this thing properly, I mean whole type of number like this, we just need to select it, right click, and then we have to choose format cell. From here we have to choose text and then press OK button, then it will be formatted as text. So to do this thing, I mean to generate barcode first we just need to convert this thing full format. I mean this full text is or full numbers are visible in this way. We can use the text format to do this thing. Now let's see how we can generate a barcode. So there is a website, it is called barcode.org. So if you come this website, you will see there is couple of options are there. Choose your barcode type. The best option is to choose auto, but you can choose any other option based on your need. But I will show you how we can use the auto, and this is the best option. Now let's come to there. So at first we need to copy one of the product number. So I'm going to copy it, right? Copy this thing, and then I'm coming to this barcode.org, and here there is a text box like try me. I'm going to paste it, and once we paste it, we'll see something. It will generate like this. So this will be our final barcode. So here we are showing how we can do this thing. So here there is a link like this. If we click here, the whole link will be copied from here. So I'm going to click here, and then it will be copied, this link. Now we have to come to the Excel, and before coming to Excel, I have to mention another thing. So this barcode which is generated, this is an image basically. This is not a text, right? So this is an image. So we will use on function which is image function in Excel to generate this type of code. So I'm opening Excel again. Now we need to choose the cell where we want to make that barcode. So I'm going to click here. Then once we select that cell, we have to click FX this one, and it will bring this type of window, and this is called insert function window. So as I told you that this barcode is an image, so we have to choose image function from here. The easiest way, we just need to search by typing here image. So I'm going to type image and then press go button. Then you see the image is there. Just select it and then press OK button, and then the image will be like this. I mean the image function will be inserted like this, and there is a couple of input box like source and some other boxes are there. We are not concerned about other boxes. We just need this source box. So here basically we just need to tell based on which way or which API or which data we will build this barcode. So here we have a link, right? We generated sample link here. If we click here, this link will be copied. Now going to Excel sheet back, and here we need to paste it. So what we can do, we can directly select here and then we can paste it, and we don't need to do anything. So this is the simplest way I'm showing you. We'll modify this thing very shortly. Then press the OK button, and here you are seeing that value error. Why? Formula result value. So it is expecting some value, but here this is a URL, right? So this value should be wrapped with double quote, right? So I'm going to remove this thing, and then I'm going to remove all the data. So here I'm going to remove everything, and then I'm putting double quote, and inside this double quote we have to insert this value. So I'm going to paste it, which we copied before, right? So this is the whole URL. We are seeing that, right? So this is the text we just copied from here, right? We just put it there from this link. I just pasted it, and then we have to press OK button. Once we press this OK button, then it will show this thing. If we increase the size of the cell, I mean row, not cell, we see that the barcode is easily visible, right? So this is our desired barcode. Now we did for this cell. What about the other cell? So we have to do the same way, right? So let's fix this formula a little bit so that we can actually auto generate for other cells. For the change, we just need to come here and we need to remove this field, this value, right? So this is the static value right now, so I'm going to remove it, and now it looks like this. Now we need to add some string which is called ampersand sign, and then we have to click this cell so it will be dynamic. So whatever the value will be there, it will be there, and here after changing this thing we are seeing still it has the same value. Now we can drag for other cells like this, and here we can increase the size for easy viewing, and here we are seeing that for other cells also the barcode has been generated. So that's pretty much simple and easy. So in this way we can easily in Excel generate barcode by using that API. So hopefully by watching this video you are able to generate barcode in Excel or some other like files. Even Microsoft Word probably it will support, I'm not sure, but it should support as this is Excel, as it is supporting in Excel. Hopefully by watching this video you can do this thing in Excel. And also if you have any issue or problem, just put in the comment section. And finally, thank you for watching the video.